PulsEvo Mega Starter Kit is used for building electronics projects. This kit completely revolutionized DIY electronics, making it possible for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. This kit has a lot to learn and includes more than 50 plus components like various sensors, electronic components, modules, and stepper motors for complex, advanced learning and prototyping. Free PDF tutorials, codes, and libraries with more than 20 plus lessons are included with this kit, and each sensor's picture with a label to guide beginners. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.